Which assets can you exempt in Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Imagine starting fresh without losing everything you need to live comfortably. When you file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, certain assets are protected by law. These are called exemptions. They're designed to keep your basic needs safe so you can rebuild after debts are gone. The exact items you can keep depend on your state's rules, and some states let you choose between state and federal exemptions. Most people can exempt their primary home if the equity is within a certain limit. For example, if your house is worth $100,000 and you owe $70,000, and your state's exemption allows up to $50,000 of equity, you might lose some of that. But if your equity is below the exemption limit, you keep your house. If it's more, the trustee might sell the home, pay you the protected amount, and use the rest to pay creditors. You can usually exempt one vehicle too. If your car is worth $5,000 and your state's exemption is $6,000, you keep the car. If it's worth more, you might need to pay the difference or the trustee could sell it. Personal items and household goods are also protected. Things like furniture, appliances, clothing, and basic electronics are typically safe. For example, a modest television or a computer are usually exempt, but luxury items like a high-end home theater system might not be. Tools of the trade are important too. If you need tools for your job or business, they are often exempt. This could include a mechanic's toolkit, a photographer's camera, or musical instruments if you use them to earn money. Retirement accounts like 401ks, individual retirement accounts, and pensions are generally fully protected. Creditors can't touch these. Social Security benefits, unemployment benefits, and veterans' benefits are also safe. Payments like alimony or child support are usually protected as well. Other assets that might be exempt include life insurance policies, burial plots, and health aids such as wheelchairs or hearing aids. Some states also have a wildcard exemption, which lets you protect any asset up to a certain dollar amount or add to other exemptions if needed. Assets that are not protected are called non-exempt. These include second homes, luxury cars, collections, investments outside retirement accounts, and business interests. The trustee's job is to sell these non-exempt items and use the money to pay your creditors. Sometimes, if selling an asset would cost more than what it's worth, the trustee might not bother. You might also have the chance to buy back an asset by paying its value above the exemption limit. Exemption rules vary a lot from state to state. For example, some states have higher limits for homes or vehicles. It's very important to check your state's specific laws or talk to a bankruptcy attorney. Remember, if you're behind on mortgage or car payments, filing bankruptcy won't automatically erase those debts. You need to stay current on payments to keep the property. In the end, knowing what assets you can exempt helps you plan better and understand what you'll be able to keep after filing. It's all about protecting your essentials so you can start fresh. Always review your state's exemption laws or get professional advice to make sure you're making the most of the protections available to you.